Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can add two or more animation to one video or one photo in the CapCut apps. So yeah, I'm using CapCut for PC and I'm just going to add one image to the track and how to add two or more animation. You are just going to split the clip before. So I want to split into three parts. So select first one and go to animation, select what in animation and which one you like here. Alright, just going at zoom one animation, and for the second one I'm just going to combo animation and select the combo animation, and for the last one select out animation and it's going to select the zoom out for duration. Alright, and here we go. Alright, that's how to add two more animation to one clip in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.